When creating hydrogen gas, the impure things should be taken and put into the water, and the chisel funnel and then tube should be connected, and should be, and after that dilute hydrochloric acid is dilute hydrochloric acid is added to the chisel funnel, and the lubricant tubes that is directly connected to the gas, which is filled with water, and hydrogen gas is collected by downward displacement
Up.
method. Test of hydrogen.
Test
When
of-
testing the hydrogen gas, burning matchstick should be kept close to the hydrogen gas, and if it produces a pop sound, then the hydrogen gas is prepared. Physical properties of hydrogen: it is colorless, it is odorless, it is tasteless, it is lighter than air. It
Go
does
to
not-
the oxygen.
Oxygen, when creating oxygen, the oxygen can be created by two types, by heating or without heating. By heating, first you take some calcium chlorate, take some parts of calcium chlorate and add them with manganese oxide.
Yes.
Manganese
Manganese oxide.
manganese oxide, while they are being heated, and then connect the delivery tube to the gas jar, and it is which is filled with the water, and it is also collected by downward displacement method. But oxygen can also be
Go nitrogen.
nitrogen. Nitrogen is created in laboratory by taking 4 grams of sodium nitrate and ammonium chlorate, while these solutions, while they are being heated, and the nitrogen gas is collected by the delivery tube, which is connected to the gas jar, which is also filled with water. The test of nitrogen gas, bring a burning magnesium ribbon to the nitrogen gas, and if it burns
Mm.
magnesium ribbons, and if it burns, then it is nitrogen gas. If in the access of the magnesium ribbon, if when the water droplet is dropped onto that ash, and if it gives the smell of ammonia, then we can say that the nitrogen gas is prepared.
Good. Ozone.
Okay?
Ozone.
Ozone.
Yes.
Ozone is a layer that is in the stratosphere of our planet. It is made by the nonsense molecule of oxygen, which are directly contact by ultraviolet rays coming from the sun. It protects it blocks the UV rays that directly coming from the sun that are harmful towards humans, plants, and animals. Depletion of ozone. The depletion of ozone is when the ozone layer starts to get a hole or starts to deform. It is called depletion of ozone. The main chief acid or gas in this in the depletion of ozone is called chlorofluorocarbon, which helps the depletion of this. And many other knowledge technologies which produce gases. Other gases, modern gases, are also chemicals that are used in depletion of ozone layer.
Good. Chemical fertilizer.
Chemical fertilizer.
Yes.
Those fertilizers that have a brand name and are made in factories for sale are called chemical fertilizers.
Yes.
The main example of chemical fertilizers are DDT, MPHC.
Yes. Types of fertilizers.
Types of fertilizer: organic and inorganic fertilizer. Organic fertilizer, these fertilizers that are easily made in home by the use of dead bodies of plants, leaves, and other things. two principal organic, and there are then green manure. Green manure is a type of organic fertilizer which is directly made by the plants. And
NPK fertilizer.
NPK fertilizer. NPK is the short form of nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus. These three are the most essential fertilizers for plants. Nitrogen, urea, so is an example of nitrogenous fertilizer.
Yes.
Super phosphate, it is an example of
Phosphorus
phosphorus.
fertilizer.
And potash is a for example for potassium fertilizers.
Thank you. Sit down.